Do you want glowing skin? Well, the food you eat can actually impact your skin condition. Yes, what you put on your skin can have some effect, but also what you eat. So I'm going to share with you today a few foods you can eat in your diet or in a smoothie that I'm going to make to help with your skin. So, what food can you eat that will help increase the hydration in your skin, help give you that nice glow? Okay, so first off, you want to try increasing the amount of citrus fruit you eat. This is a blood orange. Now, blood oranges have vitamin C, but they also have hesperidine. Hesperidine is an antioxidant that can help increase microcirculation. That means that your veins in your skin, on your face, and even the skin in your legs, the veins in your legs, will help increase vasodilation. So you aren't going to get that stagnant fluids that could be in your skin, can help reduce inflammation and also keep your veins nice and healthy. In addition, vitamin C in citrus fruit, limes, oranges, lemons, all can help build collagen. So vitamin C is a critical nutrient and it's part of your skin. As we age, that vitamin C starts to decrease. So you want to make sure we get enough vitamin C that's going to help support the foundations of your skin, including collagen. So vitamin C is needed for collagen production. Speaking of collagen, I also have a collagen powder here. Collagen is a really good supplement to use when it comes to hydration of the skin, helping reduce wrinkling, and helping with the structure of the skin, keeping it nice and tight and firm. Collagen supplementing is exactly like protein supplementing for your muscles. When you supplement with a protein powder, you help provide the building blocks for your muscles to keep them tight and strong. When you supplement with collagen, it helps increase the structure of your skin. You're basically making sure elastin and fibrin are helping build them. So when that happens, you increase hydration, you keep the structure and the support of your skin nice and strong. It helps prevent pitting of the skin and fat coming through or seeping through the broken collagen. So if you are concerned about cellulite, sagging skin, take collagen. Okay, so in addition to those ingredients, I've also got some berries here. Strawberries, raspberries. Doesn't really matter. Any berry is really good for your skin. The reason is that they contain a high amount of antioxidants, vitamin C, and resveratrol. Resveratrol is another important ingredient when it comes to the skin because it can help prevent oxidation from reactive oxygen species in the skin. So it can actually help protect antioxidants and it can help protect your skin against damage, including damage from the sun, like photo damage. So any berry is good. Berries also contain a high amount of vitamin C, which can also provide protection against oxidation. Another ingredient I have here is beetroot powder. So beetroot powder is a natural source of nitrates. It helps with a vasodilation of the blood vessels, which can increase nutrient delivery to your skin, as well as removing stagnant waters in the skin or stagnant fluid in the skin, which will help reduce inflammation and help protect the skin. So these are the ingredients I'm going to include in the smoothie. I also have avocado here. I'm just going to mention it. I'm not going to put it in the smoothie, but in terms of foods for your skin, it is also very good. It's a source of glutathione. Glutathione is a super antioxidant that can have some very good protective effects. It also, taking avocado like this instead of taking glutathione as a separate supplement, the good fats in avocado can actually help absorb more antioxidants in other foods you take, as well as the glutathione, so providing extra protection as well. Lastly, I also have chia seed. So chia seed is a really good source of omega-3. It's also a source of protein, additional protein, which can help obviously build the tissue of your skin. But the omega-3 can also provide some building of the skin as well. So fat is part of our component of our skin layer. So making sure you get enough good fat in your diet will ensure that your skin is nice and soft and supple. So I'm going to include a bit of chia seed in today's smoothie as well. Okay, so I'm going to blend this. I'm gonna add strawberries, raspberries. I'm gonna add a little bit of pitya. This is more for color. This is dragon fruit. It's also got a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Then I've got the beetroot powder, collagen. I'm going to add a little bit of orange, a little bit of lime, I'm not going to add all of this chia seed because this is quite a bit, so I'm just going to add about a tablespoon. Lastly, just to get some of the texture and smoothness, I'm adding a little bit of coconut yogurt. This is a plant-based yogurt, but you can use regular yogurt if you want, plain. And I'm also going to add a little bit of almond milk. This is actually an almond cream, which will add a little bit more creaminess to it. And then a little bit of water. And that's it. Grab a glass. There you have it, a very pink smoothie that's going to help with your skin glow.